Parang ocean daw. Iliko sila.
Kagaya ng ordinaryong kuwan. Sabi ko kay Day, paano ito buksan?
Himaw. This is Himaw Dam, ate, no?
Ano pala sir?
Himaw Resort. MJ!
Naku, baka pailog na yan si Sir.
Like it here? You don't like? Ganda, oh. Look at them. Himaw Resort. Mas ate, oh, ate. Dive na, te, dive. Ang linaw ng water, oh. Look at the water, baby, oh. It's so clean. Nice. This is Himaw Resort. Malamig. It's raining right now. MJ! Baby! Oh, kay dyan ka lang tayo.
Tingnan mo, maalim.
Maalim, malalim.
Malalim.
It's not malalim.